Welcome kids and welcome back to our fun drawing and painting time. Today we are going to draw and paint the alphabet W. So get your colors ready and let's start. Start from the top. Draw a slanting line down, then up, down and up. Again. That makes W. Now color your W with bright color to make it look beautiful. Here we will use light green color. Well done kids! W is for so many wonderful things. Let's learn about them. W is for watch. A watch helps us know the time every day. We wear it on our wristwatches. Watches can be digital or analog. It helps us be on time for school or play. A watch teaches us the importance of time. Well done kids! Our image is ready. Now let's color it. Orange color, yellow color, black color, light orange color, dark pink color, amazing kids! Our watch looks so beautiful. Next thing is W is for window. A window lets light and air come inside a room. We can look outside through the window. Windows keep us safe from dust and rain. They make our rooms bright and fresh. Clean windows make a house look neat and pretty. Excellent, kids. Our image is ready. Now let's color it. Maroon color. Red color. Sky blue color. Light green color. Dark pink color. Superb, kids. Our image looks so beautiful. Next is W is for watermelon. Watermelon is a big juicy fruit. It is green outside and red inside with black seeds. Watermelon is full of water and vitamins. It keeps our body cool in summer. Eating watermelon makes us healthy and happy. Now let's color it. Red color. Dark green color. Great work, kids! Next is W is for whale. A whale is the largest animal in the ocean. Whales breathe air through their blowholes. They can sink and communicate underwater. Whales are gentle giants of the sea. We should protect whales and keep oceans clean. Wonderful work, kids! Today we learned the letter W and painted it beautifully. We also learned about watch, window, watermelon and whale. Keep practicing your letters and keep coloring with joy. See you next time with another fun alphabet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.